I want to put the pipe in his mouth. Do not drink that much.
This looks so gross right now. Keep it going, keep it going.
Dude, what did they put on him? That's an ice cream cone.
I told you there was ice cream cones everywhere.